she the first person that will get pregnant? I had 4 kids. I was still slaying in pregnancy. I had my heels on. I was on point. I was this. Like, what is it? This is just your first child and you're already acting like that's the whole, like, you are the first person to get pregnant. Auntie, excuse me, wait. Hi, hello beautiful people. Welcome back to the Mini Lifestyle channel. I know this might be your first time, so if this is your first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Joy Abisuga. I'm a mom of 2 beautiful children and I'm also a business owner. So in case you want to help my life, you can go to minimi.com.ng and buy something. Or you can go on my Instagram page at minimi_ng and buy something. Or you could go to the minimi lifestyle _ and just follow me for updates like this. So today is Round Sundays. This is our first ever Round Sunday, and the reason why I decided to pick a Sunday for this video is because as we're entering into the new week, we enter with sayings. Whatever we are doing, let all things pass away and let all things become new. So today I want to talk about all these women that used to form. Oh, is she the first person that will get pregnant? I had 4 kids. I was still slaying in pregnancy. I had my heels on. I was on point. I was this. Like, what is it? This is just your first child and you're already acting like that's the whole, like, you are the first person to get pregnant. Auntie, excuse me, wait. Can we have sense again? Can we try and have sense? Like, seriously, we have to understand that your body is different from another person's body. You can't, because you had a good pregnancy, now shame other women that probably had really terrible time during their pregnancy. Pregnancy is not the same. In fact, you can have your first pregnancy can be perfect and you have the best pregnancy, no sickness, no money sickness, nothing. And then your second pregnancy, it will look as if like you've never been pregnant before. Like, every pregnancy is different. Just because you probably had a very easy pregnancy does not mean other people had it as easy as you. Like, I know of a friend that every time she gets pregnant, she basically is on bed rest till she has the baby. Why? Because she's sick. She gets so weak. She cannot walk. But some other person will just get pregnant. And basically some of them will not even know they are pregnant because there's no symptoms, no sign. Please, women, let's stop this shaming of each other just to make yourself look good. Like, the other day I was on Facebook and I saw one woman write a whole long post, like she was writing a whole book about how telling women how to act when they are pregnant. Like, don't because you are pregnant now, you don't have sex with your husband. Because you are pregnant now, you'll be doing as if this, you'll be doing as if, don't do this, don't do that. Come on, like, give us a break. Give us a break. It's not easy to carry another human being in you for a whole 9 months. Like, another human being relying on you for everything, for survival, and like leeching off of you. Like, basically the babies take everything. They take what they take. Now what remain you go use. So as a matter of fact, you should appreciate women. Don't come out like it's even the women that say that do the most. Really, women do the most. We ourselves to come out and say that pregnancy is not that hard because it was easy for you. Then one man that doesn't understand will now go to his friend's house and the friend's wife is doing so well, like she's pregnant too, but she doesn't look pregnant, like she basically still acts as normal. And then they will come home and like come and talk to the wife like, oh, well, like, can't you see, look at Amina or Bolaji, or like, come on now. Seriously, men, we need to do better. Don't expect too much of a woman when she's pregnant. Seriously, there are so many things that happen in that body that you don't know. When I was pregnant, it was crazy, yo. Like, the first 3 months of my pregnancy is the worst. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I'm basically a rabid mess. Like, I'm just a mess. The constipation is on another level, like on another level. I don't even feel like dressing up. And then there's this weight gain that once I'm like 2 days or 3 days pregnant, basically, I'm not even kidding. I look like, it shows that something is going on in this woman's body. Like, I basically change a lot, and especially when I'm pregnant, I waddle. My first daughter, I was thinking this is the worst pregnancy ever. Then I got pregnant the second time. The first few weeks, I was like, oh yeah, this is a good pregnancy. Like, I'm not sick. And then when it happened, when I started falling sick, it was so bad. Then in the 4th month, I had this thing called PS. I can't remember. Pubis dysfunction. As in, if you've ever had it, please talk about it in the comment section. That thing is a hey. I'm not supposed to curse on here, but that thing is it's so bad. Like, it's so painful. You can't move especially when I'm about to wake up or I'm about to stand up from the bed. I feel so much pain in my pelvis. It was so bad. And then close to when I was about to have the kid, I started walking like a dog because I couldn't walk well. Pregnancy is like, there was no way I could even be fashionable in that pregnancy because I didn't even like the way I look. I was swollen everywhere, and as in, everything smelled, everything. I couldn't even do anything to my hair because I hated hair products. And so someone should not see me outside and be judging me. Like, seriously. Because you had like or your own pregnancy, you didn't have all those symptoms, and it was easy for you and the others, you now come and now sit down on your eyeballs and now be dragging down other women because you had like, God was good to you. It's not like God is not good to remember also, but you know, it's not nice, it's not fair. Like, let's stop it. And my prayer for people that do that thing, that when you get pregnant, your pregnancy will be very, very, very off. Like, you will feel it in your toenails. I'm not even kidding, it's not a cause. I'm just like, so that you understand, and you understand what that women feel. And when you also do all those things and you sit down and say you want to eat mama put instead of normal food, we laugh at you too. I can even say that I had it easy compared to a neighbor of mine. My pregnancy was basically easy compared to that woman. She lost so much weight. She couldn't eat for the whole 9 months. She was sick in and out of the hospital. Can you now say what she's feeling or how she's feeling is not valid? We need to stop it, okay? That is my rant for this Sunday. Please, if you are going anywhere, wherever it is you are going, wherever it is you are doing, please, whatever your pregnancy, just accept your own pregnancy the way your own pregnancy is. Leave other people with their own pregnancy alone, please. Don't come and see somebody and say, why are you not dressed up? Are you first? Please, it's not your business. Face your front. Like, mind your business this new week. That's my advice for you. Please, mind your business. Leave people alone. Alright? Thank you very much for clicking to watch this video. If you like run videos like this, please comment in this. Tell me in the comment section. I am so happy, and I'm always happy to hear your feedbacks. And also tell me your pregnancy experiences and how you coped with it, and if you've also encountered busybodies that I just described in this video. Thank you very much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.